Hi, welcome to Inside Censhare. I'm Ian Truscott, VP of Global Marketing. In this video series, I'm going to introduce you to a number of my colleagues, our clients, our partners, so you can get a taste of who we are here at Censhare and what we do and how we can help. Please enjoy this episode. Hi, welcome to Inside Censhare. I'm Ian Truscott, VP Global Marketing, and again I'm joined by the boss. Hi Dieter.
Hi, see you again.
Yeah, it's good to see you again. So last time on Inside Censhare we talked about the beginnings of Censhare, and we talked about your vision for where we're going to go with content and where we're going to go with information. How's that working out right now? How's the vision panning out, and what are you looking at now?
You know, we learned a lot in the last 15 years, and we learned from analysts, we learned from customers, and we learned more or less that companies love silos.
Yes.
So
Yes.
company organizations are basically silo organization.
Yeah.
For each department, I would say, let's call it a silo.
Yeah.
It makes you feel maybe a little bit uncomfortable,
Yeah.
which you should,
Yeah.
because silos will definitely not help you. And when we look about software technology, there's digital asset management, there's product information management, there's content management, there's web content management, and I stop now, but there are about 10 more.
Absolutely, yes.
So one silo after the other.
Yeah.
On the other side, you have a consumer who expects digital information in real time. So I think it's pretty clear that this is not really working.
Right, right.
And companies work with these issues now since a few years.
Yeah.
And they understand that if they would like to deliver personalized, relevant content, they have to change something.
Right.
But since this is most of the time also a change in the organization, it's pretty hard for companies to really start this process, go through it. But there are more and more companies doing this.
Yeah.
Taking care on content, understanding people, and they are very much interested now in delivering relevant content.
Right.
So this is a new situation, and this is where we are now.
Right.
And now there is a great momentum for Censhare, because this is what we do.
Yeah.
We don't care if this is a digital asset, is this a 3D object, is this a product, is this product information, is this geodata, is this behavior data. For us, everything is information, and you have to understand the context of information. So people are interested in watches, in cars, in soccer. So you have to understand, you have to find people when you search for a theme or a subject, and this is context. And then you only have to understand what is relevant to them. If you understand this, you can deliver any information relevant based on context.
Absolutely. So two things there. One of them is the consolidation of content management and all these different silos within organisations in order to present this common things. I think that's what you were saying. But also the fact that what content is today. Content is all these different things. I talked to Wouter about that here on Inside Censhare, and we were talking about management of things, or content management, talking about things rather than content. So that's exactly what you were saying also.
Yes, but you know, it's really difficult because the analysts, and they still are the thought leadership maybe, but they still don't get it, and they still separate content from digital assets and product information. And when we started, we were thinking about calling it an information system, but then everybody would say, oh, you should work on a university but not making business software. But at the end of the day, it's only information. And a product you describe with metadata, with pricing and so on. And people you describe with their behavior or their male, female and so on. It's again metadata. So for us, there is no difference between the product and the person.
Right, okay. So that's great. Thank you very much. So that's where we are right now. We're looking at doing that. Hopefully you're going to join me again, Dieter, and we can talk some more detail about some of these things. Great. Well, thanks for joining us on Inside Censhare. See you again soon.